Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at how can we make this type of stat system in Unity. Before we start programming, there are a few things we need to take care of. First of all, we need an image component which we will use to display our stats, and make sure to set image type to field. Second, you have to have a way to able to store individual data of each object. In my case, I am using scriptable object. If you want, you can also use serializable class. Third, make sure you have a way to store all those individual data in a list. For this, I am using scriptable object. If you want, you can create a simple array of serializable class. Next, I'm going to open up item scriptable object in VS Studio. Now I'm going to add 4 float variables for speed, rotation speed, HP and damage. Next, in the Unity editor, we are going to create a new script. Let's call it stats. In this script, I'm going to create a public item list variable. After that, I'm going to create 4 private float variable for speed, rotation speed, HP and damage. In this start function, we are going to create a loop based on size of our item list. And also, this is what our item list scriptable object look like. Next, we are going to add if statement inside the for loop we just created. In this, we are going to check which scriptable object in the list has the highest value. Then set speed equal to that highest value. Just like this, we have to do this for 3 remaining variables. But there is an easy way to do this, rather than adding if statement for each variable. We are going to create a return type function of type float. Let's call it max limit. In the argument brackets, we are going to add 2 float variable a and b. In this function, we are going to add if statement to check if a is greater than b. If it is true, then return a. If it is false, then return b. Next, I'm going to delete all the code from for loop in the start function. After that, write the following code. Now in the Unity editor, let's check whether our system is working or not. Yes, our system is working. Next, I'm going to create a new function. Let's call it update stats. In this, we are going to add item as an argument. After this, I'm going to create 4 public image variable for speed bar, rotation speed bar, HP bar and damage bar. In the update stat function, write the following program. We're done with our stat script. We just need a way to trigger it. Because I already have a system in place, so I will use it as a trigger. Also, I already made a video on how to create this type of selection menu. If you want to make this type of selection menu, I will add link to the playlist in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.